What is up, you guys? So today I'm gonna be recording clips of my stock exhaust system for my Q, my 2020 Q. Let me just get a couple clips of that and I'll explain what I want to do afterwards. All right, so it's gonna be a complete cold start, and let me set up my tripod and start the car. Alright guys, so those are a little bit of clips that I got for the stock exhaust system on the cold start. I'll probably do another one while it's already warm. I'm also going to be getting the AMS Red Alpha cold air. Look at that Challenger. The Red Alpha cold air intakes. And then I will be getting blow-off valves after the install date, which would be this Monday. Today's Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. I forget my days, honestly. Today's Wednesday. I have maybe half a week, or a couple days until I go get it installed. I'll give the name, the correct name in a bit, or I'll just write it out here. I kind of forgot because I was half asleep while I was placing the order. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna get a Catback exhaust system, and I'm gonna get the Red Alpha cold air intake. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of clips on how the exhaust sounds right now, and maybe even, I guess, the difference between the cold air intakes before and after. I'll also record a little bit of the engine bay so you guys can hear how it sounds before with stock intakes. I'll have drop. But yeah, guys, that's how. Look at that. That looks pretty dope. But yeah, guys, so that's how that sounds. Stock intakes, or drop-in intakes, and the stock exhaust system. Yeah, so there's traffic right now, so I can't really do much. I'll try to get more clips either in the morning when I get off, or some other day before the install date. But yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys once I go and take this to the shop to go get the work done. All right, guys, what is up? Good morning, guys. It is 5:36 in the morning, and I'm gonna get a cold start in for you guys. Let me just get it from the outside. Okay. That's before I get the Catback exhaust system. Should quiet down in a bit. There you go. Alright, guys, so today's gonna be the last day with the intakes. Let me get a last clip for you guys. Last clip with a stock exhaust. Hurry up, fool. So this who brought me Chocana, he didn't give me shit. Alright, guys, so we are 10 minutes away from the destination. This is gonna be the last day I got the stock exhaust system. quick update. I stopped here at what is it called, Johnny's? I stopped by to get a burger because I didn't eat this morning. So once I get that burger, I'm gonna get some intake clips for you guys as well because I didn't record that. We just made it a 365 Performance. They got a nice Escort out here at a Toyota. I'm not sure what that is. So I'm gonna go look for Kerr, and then I'll be back when they probably got the car in the shop and working on it, or I'll see what I get right now. All right, so they're gonna end up taking my car up inside and then start working on it. Once I get everything done, I will update you guys afterwards. So those are the intakes, and then that's the catback. I have like so much trouble saying that exhaust system name, the MPB whatever. Honestly, I cannot say it. I keep getting mixed up. So that's gonna end up going on first, and then intakes afterwards. MBRP catback exhaust system is gonna go on first. So they got the first part done, and they're gonna start installing the rest. They got the old system out. Yeah. Now they're gonna start working on doing the whole catback now. Honestly, I'm stoked. I can't wait for the end results. I want to get some sound clip for you guys. And, get this whole thing going already. Look at how small this piping is compared to that. Like, look at the difference. This is crazy. So they're getting this install done pretty quick. So they finally got it installed. It looks so amazing. 3-inch piping from the catback. So I'm planning to do lower down pipes after this. It's dope. So next up is gonna be the cold air intakes, the red alpha cold air intakes. And they're gonna get that installed. So they're about to get started in a bit. Stock airbox, stock Infinity airboxes, and then they get taken out to put the red alpha cold air intakes, the true cold air intakes. So don't mind the extra mess. I finally got the exhaust system, the old exhaust system in, thanks to his help. So he's getting started on the intakes. So they're gonna get it installed already. Is there somebody in here? I like how this it has a little the brand right here. I'm not gonna be able to see it, but you know. Yo, hey. What is that? This car sucks because it's so cramped. Like you have, well, they have no room to play with pretty much. Grab my drink. We got kicked out. So we're just gonna walk around for a bit and just wait until they finish the car. Shout out to 365 Performance Plus for getting the parts. Shout out to Kerr for the help. So we still got the intakes to go. They finished the exhaust system, but now I'm waiting on the intakes to be installed. It shouldn't be that long. How long have we been here for?
That's your car right there.
Where? See? I just stopped recording it. So here's the exhaust clip from the inside. That sounds dope. Yo, that's fucking clean, man. Shout out to 365 Performance Plus, man. Look at that. Red Alpha AMS cold air intakes, and we get some sound clips for you guys right now. He's gonna hook me up. Ooh, damn. Woo!
Man, that shit sounds clean as fuck.
This is so dope, man.
Stupidest train. That train's gonna be louder than this. God, come on.
We just made it home. I'm gonna box this up and then we're gonna take that inside my house. So we'll be back in a bit. It's 5 in the morning and we're gonna get that cold start. So right now I am in downtown LA. I'm gonna see if I can get an exhaust clip for you guys in the tunnel. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but oh well. What's up, you guys? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in, clicking the link. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna end up getting more clips of the car later down the line, and you know, posting it on other videos and such. I will be posting a video on me getting my blow off valves pretty soon. It should be this upcoming Monday. So stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoy this video, please leave a like. If you guys want to see content similar to this, please leave a like. If not, I could probably switch it up and, you know, get other content for you guys if you guys want to keep watching and stuff. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, so you guys please be subscribed and, you know, keep checking in. Once I hit the 500 subscribers, I'll be making a post on my Instagram on how to enter the giveaway, how to be entered into the giveaway, and, you know, for a chance to win a small prize. I know you guys can't see me right now. I'm at work just finishing up the video. And yeah, guys, I hope to see you guys in the next video. I really appreciate it. Drop a like and subscribe, comment. I'll see you guys in the next video.